All right, you guys, so we're going to start with the tartar sauce. We are in quarantine, so remember, I'm using what I have on hand. If you have more ingredients, you can certainly add it, but I'm using what I have. So I'm going to use some mayo, some honey mustard, some bread and butter pickles, lemon juice, hot sways. And in the end, it turned out so well. It was just so good with the fish. It was just perfect. So you don't need all that extra stuff. It's just an easy, simple tartar sauce. And, you know, I'll have the measurements in my description box, but this is more of like a taste, you know, more to your taste. So this is what it looks like. At the end, I decided to add a little bit of salt and some more hot sauce because that's what I prefer to my taste. Again, check the description box. So this is what it looks like, you guys. So you want to put it in the fridge to chill out. This is my fish, my swai. I don't even know how to say it right, so I'll say, let me just sing it and go ahead. But I'm using my It's Lit lemon pepper seasoning. We are sold out. However, they're all coming back full force once this situation is all gone and the world is back to normal. You want to season the fish on both sides with hot sauce, dry thyme, and the It's Lit lemon pepper or your favorite lemon pepper seasoning on both sides with hot sauce. So to bread this fish, I'm going to use the Louisiana fish fry. Unfortunately, I had bought the unseasoned version, so I'm going to season it with the same seasonings that I used on the fish. So it's just real easy and simple. But again, all our households are different. Use what you have on hand. So mix this up. We're going to batter the fish just like this and fry it up. Alright, so I fried my fish on number 7 for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once it's golden brown, you know it's done, you guys. Fish is very easy to cook, so you don't want to cook it to death. Please don't. If it's golden, it's cooked, and that's it. So this is what it looks like. This is the plate. Oh, Lord, I know they're going to come starting to ask, what's that candy yam recipe? It's coming, so don't y'all start with me, okay? Don't start in them comments. So I'm going to put the tartar sauce in that little bowl. And this is my husband's plate, actually. But I am going to dig in and taste the food and let you guys know what I think about it. So stay tuned for that. Mix it up. Finna get it together. Put a little tartar sauce right there. You already know you need your hot sauce. Got my Louisiana hot sauce. Just ratchet. Look at me. Okay? Get your little hot sauce on there. I gotta use a fork because, you know, I'm holding the phone. I can't really. Ooh, it's crispy. Y'all hear that? Ooh, yes. Look at the hot sauce and the tartar sauce. It's good, y'all. That lemon pepper, it's good. Look how good that looks. Look how good that looks. Bye, you guys.